Hi, my name is Wilmian, and I did Hurricane Katrina. So Hurricane Katrina hit Florida, Mississippi, and New Orleans. It only got a little bit of Florida, and it hit Mississippi pretty bad, and it really hurt New Orleans. So one of the reasons that it hurt New Orleans so badly was because of the levee failure, which flooded all this area here, and it was really damaging to the people of New Orleans. So this hurricane is remembered for its significant flooding in New Orleans, and is one of the top 5 most devastating hurricanes all time. When it reached the Gulf of Mexico, it really strengthened, and that's where it was able to build up a lot of its strength. And at its peak, it reached 175 miles per hour and 902 millibars for its low pressure. And this is all the people trying to evacuate. So this was how it was originally predicted. It was just going to come up, and it wasn't going to hit New Orleans quite as bad. So that was Friday morning. But then by Friday night, they had a new prediction, which was much more accurate, and it was going to hit New Orleans much worse. And so that was on Friday night, and the hurricane hit that area Monday night. So they had a fairly good amount of time to evacuate, but yeah. So the hurricane started down here as a tropical depression, and it slowly moved up, getting warm water and building strength. It got the very edge of Florida here as a Category 1, and as it moved more into the Gulf of Mexico, it still continued to build strength and became Category 3, and then very quickly became a Category 5 hurricane, which is how it hit New Orleans. So total death count was between 1,200, as it says here, but it has ranged to as high as 1,800 people. There's a lot of storm surge in Mississippi, and it cost $106 billion in damages. So it was really devastating. This is just a map showing all the evacuees dispersed. So a lot of it you can tell is right in the south here near New Orleans, but it kind of goes all around. And so here's just some of, so this is the levee failure here, and you can see it all flooding all the area around it. It's just some of the destruction, and this picture here is from Mississippi, and just more flooding. So my name is Wilmian, and that was Hurricane Katrina.